Hi guys, Adele from Marriage Helper here. So one of the things that I encounter quite a lot in coaching is almost a double-mindedness. There's a part of the person that desperately wants to fight for their marriage, but there's another part of that person that feels, I don't deserve this. I deserve way better than this, and I'm done. Now, they don't leave because of the part of them that desperately wants to make the marriage work, but they also are not 100% committed to making it work because there's the part of them that feels that they deserve better or that they should leave. What do you do? What do you do? It's extremely difficult, but you need to get to a place where you're 100% committed one way or the other. Preferably committed to making the marriage work. And here's why. If you're only 80% committed to making your marriage work, say for example, you're not 50-50, say you're 90-10, you still every day have to convince yourself to do it, that 10%. That 10% is still allowed to remind you of negative things and to make you focus on the things that hurt you or, challenge your wanting to make your marriage work. That 10% can be an entire day's worth of hindrance. Whereas if that 10% doesn't exist, you wake up and there is nothing that you won't do. There is nothing you won't change to make your marriage work, to draw your spouse back to you, to hold on to the family that you have invested years and years and years into.